Happy February! It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries, and I'm going to show you how to make our teen craft for this month, which is origami flowers. So if you haven't already, stop by Columbus Library or Saluda Library to pick up your free Take and Make kit and follow along with this video to see how to make origami flowers that you can give to your friends or family for Valentine's Day. And if you are in 6th to 12th grade, please come to our teen scene programs at the library. Those are on the second Thursday of the month at Columbus Library, which this month is February 9th. That's at 3:30 p.m. at Columbus. And we have a Nintendo Switch that we play on, and we're going to do some Valentine's Day crafts and have some snacks. We also do teen scene at Saluda Library on the 4th Thursday of the month. And this month we're going to have a Pringles tasting and make some beaded bracelets. So we hope to see you there. All right, let's make our origami flowers. Okay, so in your kit, you're going to have 3 green straws. These are going to be the stems for our flowers, which I should have clarified. Our flowers are actually hearts because it's Valentine's Day. So this is going to make a little heart bouquet of 3 heart flowers that you can give to your friends or family or whoever you like for Valentine's Day. So you have 3 straws and you have 3 pieces of origami paper. So 2 of that origami paper will be the same on both sides. It's going to be a pink or red design for Valentine's Day, and then you have 1 piece that is just a plain color that is 2 different colors on either side. So for that one, you want to decide which color you want your heart to be. So I'm going to make a blue heart. So what we are going to do to make our origami heart is we're going to start folding it in half this way. So whichever color you want needs to be on the outside. So I want blue. I'm folding that so it's on the outside. So this is paper is a square, so you're going to fold it in half that way vertically, and then you're going to fold it in half the other way horizontally, and try to fold it as carefully as you can to make it line up. And then you'll have creases in it, so you have 4 different squares. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fold up this bottom part up to that middle crease, like that. Alright, then we're going to turn it over. And then our next step, we're going to fold the bottom edge up to align with the center crease. Like this, so kind of like you're making a paper airplane. And so you're going to do that on both sides, and you'll kind of have, like I said, what looks like a paper airplane there when you get to this step. Now we're going to fold it over again. And so whatever color you're wanting on the outside should just be this little triangle at the bottom. And we're going to do some more folding. Lots of folding in origami. So we're going to fold it into the center. And basically all the folds we are going to do are going to be the same on each side because we're making a symmetrical heart. So we're going to do that on both sides. Fold it into that center crease. And then we're going to fold the top corners down. So we're going to bring it down all the way to that whatever color is on your other side. Bring it down like that. And like I said, try to make it straight, try to make it line up nicely, but you have a little leeway there in origami. Alright, so now you've done that on both sides, and you're going to kind of pull it over. Now we're not going to flatten it all the way, but we're just going to fold it over so that both sides meet, and you're going to kind of hold it like that because we're going to do something with these little pockets here. Alright, so we've aligned the top and the bottom, and we're going to open up those pockets a little bit. You can see your other color that's on the opposite side is going to be inside the pocket. And we're going to flatten those pockets out a little bit. So you'll flatten that bottom part down. Do the same thing with the other side. So now we have our two flaps. And we're going to pull the edges apart and then flatten that top bit. Pull the edges apart and flatten that. Alright, now we're going to take this top layer. Alright, you can see underneath this triangle on the bottom, that's the color you want your heart to be. It has made a little pocket. So we're going to take the top layer and put it inside the pocket. You can take your top layer here and put it inside your pocket. Might need to flatten it out a little bit. Alright, we're getting there. Okay, now we are going to fold our top corners down. I'm going to start with this one. And of course you're going to do it on the opposite side as well. Then I think we just have one more step, and that's going to be to fold these top points down. If you want a pointy heart, you could leave them. I think it looks fine if you leave them too. Alright, and now you have some origami hearts. So if you have tape at home, you can tape it to the straw to make a bouquet, and you'll have 3 of those. Or you can give them to 3 individual people. You can give one to one person, one to another. You can keep them, whatever you like. Hope you guys had fun making these origami hearts.